Today we will learn operation on matrices. In this section we shall introduce certain operation on matrices, namely addition of matrices, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, difference and multiplication of matrices. First of all, we will discuss addition of matrices. Suppose that we have two matrices of same order A and B, elements shown here. Now we can add A plus B with corresponding elements. Now you can add -1 to the correspondent element of matrix B, 12. So we can add -1 plus 12, 4 plus 7, -6 plus 6. Similarly, we can add all the elements of two matrices. Now after simplification, we have a matrix of elements 11, 11, 0, 16, 5, 21, 5, 10 and 9. We emphasize that if A and B are not of the same order, then A plus B is not defined. Suppose that matrix A is different order and matrix B is also different means different order, so we can't add two matrices. For example, we have a matrix of order 2 by 2 and B matrix of 2 by 3. So we can't add A plus B. So A plus B not defined. We may observe that addition of matrices is an example of binary operation on the set of matrices of the same order. Now we will discuss multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Suppose that A is a matrix of 2 by 2 order, then 2A equal to 2 into multiply by the matrix A. Now we can multiply into the matrix A with all elements. So we can multiply 2 into 1, 2 into 5, 2 into 6 and 2 into 9. Now you can see here 2 is a scalar quantity and A is a matrix, so we can multiply the all elements of matrix A by 2. Now difference of matrices, let A and B be any two sets of same order, then we can subtract corresponding elements of two matrices. Now we can subtract 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3 and 3 minus bracket we can use here to subtract -2 and 5 minus 2 minus 5, not 5 minus 2. Now you can see here 2 minus 1 and all. After simplification, A minus B equal to 1, 1, 5 minus 3 is a matrix with difference. Multiplication of matrices, let A and B be any two matrices with different order. Matrix A order is 2 by 2, matrix B order is 2 by 3. So in multiplication we have to multiply by row with column. We can write here 6 multiplied by 2 plus 9 multiplied by 7 to make a element. Now we have to multiply by 6 into 2 plus 9 into 7, then same row multiply by second column. Now we can write here 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9. Same here, multiply by first row into third column. Similarly, we can multiply row with column to find the multiplication of matrix. AB equal to 75, 117, 72, 25, 39, 24 is a matrix multiplied by two matrices. Now some question we will discuss. Find X and Y. If X plus Y is a matrix and X minus Y also a matrix, so we can make two different equation. X plus Y equal to matrix 7, 0, 2, 5 elements, X minus Y equal to a matrix of elements 3, 0, 0, 3. Now we can add equation 1 and 2 to find the value of X. Now we can write here X equal to 1 by 2 equal to elements matrix 10, 0, 2, 8. Now 1 by 2 is a scalar quantity, so we can multiply by 1 by 2 into the matrix. Now X equal to 5, 0, 1, 4 is a matrix. Now we can substitute X equal to 5, 0, 1, 4 in equation 1 and 2 to find the value of Y. Now you can see X equal to matrix, put in equation number 1 to find the value of Y. Here this is a matrix X and we can subtract this matrix from equation number 1 to find the value of Y. 7 minus 5 equal to 2, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Now more example we have. if fx equal to a matrix of element cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, show that fx into fy equal to fx plus y. First of all, we have a matrix in the form of fx equal to cos x minus sin x 0 cos x 0 0 0 1. We can find fy to replace x with y, and we can write here x plus y also. So fxy we can make a different matrix, similarly fy and fx plus y. Now first of all, we can write here fx into fy, means we have to multiply by two matrix fx into fy. We know that these two matrix are same order, so we have to multiply by row with column. Cos x multiply by cos y plus minus sin x into sin y plus 0 into 0. Similarly, you can see here cos x multiply by this cos x multiply by this cos y plus sin x into sin y. So plus into minus equal to minus. 0 multiply by cos, so we remove here 0. Again you can see here sin x multiply by cos y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and 0 into 0, no need to write here 0. Similarly we can multiply. Now we know that cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is an identity of cos x plus y. We have identities, so we can write here identities. We have fx plus y in the form of a matrix, so we can write here that fx into fy equal to fx plus y is verified. Next question we have, if A equal to a matrix of 2 by 2 order and I is an identity matrix of 2 by 2 order, find K so that A square equal to Ka minus 2i. We have A, we can find A square multiplying by A. We can write here A square equal to A into A. To find A square, we can write here same matrix, then we can multiply by row with column. We have A square equal to a matrix of elements 1 minus 2 4 minus 4. Now we can write the equation A square equal to Ka minus 2i. Now substitute all values. After simplification we have two matrix. Now we can write here two equal matrix. Now we can equate the elements, corresponding elements we can equate here to find the value of K. Any two elements we can equate, value of K will be same. Now you can see here 4 equal to 4K, then K equal to 1. Now we can equate 1 equal to 3K minus 2, value will be same, value of K is 1.